Hello guys, it's the day 13 of me learning how to speak English or pronounce English properly. And today, sorry there's some background noises. It's my family speaking and talking about internet or something like that. Yeah, and also I hope you can hear me. You know, it's been raining here earlier, but right now the rain stopped. So I started this video. And yeah, as you have known, I am learning how to pronounce English and use grammar so I can work abroad. Can you hear me? So I can work abroad or international, or maybe my dream to work in a cruise ship. And right now, I'm trying to learn how to speak slowly so you can understand the words that coming out in my mouth. Can you? Yeah. I hope you can hear me, you can hear my voice, and you can understand me. Thank you for watching for today. And please comment down below, subscribe. Bye bye.